Hi viewers, welcome to this channel. So before you watch this video, please subscribe to this channel, like it, share it, and if you have any doubts, you can call me through Call Me for Apps, which is given in the Telegram channel of Software Course Work Support, which is in description. And you are having a lot many playlists regarding the real-time providers, so you can watch those playlists also. And in this video, we are going to speak about what is SSRS, why it is used. And in the previous two videos, we have discussed about SSIS and SSAS, which are part of MSBI. So SSRS. So what is SSRS? SSRS means SQL Server Reporting Services. So in order to execute the SSRS, what we need to do? What is the main purpose? Why it is used? So SSRS is used to visualize the data which we have cleaned and analyzed by using SSIS and SSAS. So that extracted data will be shown in the form of visualizations according to the client requirements. So visualization is the main agenda of the SSRS. So you will be having different types of visualizations: pie chart, bar chart, stacked column chart, etc. Such kind of things you will be having. And what are the requirements in order to execute the SSRS? So you need to have a Visual Studio installed, and after that you need to install the SSRS tools in that Visual Studio, and you need to connect it to the SQL Server, whatever may be the configuration, and there should be a match between the SQL Server and Visual Studio. So already I have shown that installation process in the SSRS playlist, which is available in the iCard or end card. Here what they will be doing is that in the SSRS, so you won't be cleaning the data, you won't be analyzing the data, but simply what you need to do is that you will be displaying the data whether in the form of tables or in the form of figures, that is charts, that is bar charts, pie charts, etc. So according to the client requirements, suppose if one of the client requires some data for a particular year, so for that year the data will be shown in the form of visualization. So based on that one, they will be preparing a report and they will be uploading to the cloud. So this is about the SSRS. So kindly subscribe to this channel, like it, share it. Thank you so much.